Mommy, look at the fire. Look at this fire.
Why don't you stand by that chair and talk to me about it?
Did you know that my daddy knows everything?
Yes. Your daddy know everything, huh, Mom?
No, we don't have those we don't have an oven. No, yeah, an oven. So Daddy has a super good idea to start the fire and get the pot and put that down and put the pot on the fire with a pin. With a what? A pin? And my daddy knows everything. No, he does not.
Period.
And he even knows what is 1,000 plus 1,000.
Period. What is it?
2,000.
What is it, Daddy?
2,000.
Hey, come on.
And he knows what is 2,000 plus 2,000.
4,000.
He know what it is. Hey.
That's 200
Here we go.
plus 200. It's 400. It's 400.
Back to the camper you go. You stay there. Just go.
I need my phone.
Period. You ain't getting spit.
What?
You ain't getting spit.
What does that mean?
You know exactly what it means.
No, I don't. There is smoke over here. Nothing over in this area. And we are getting ready. And my dad is setting up those s'mores and cooking dinner. And I have a special thing.
Wrap up your video. Wrap it up. Wrap it up.
And I have a special pie for you guys.
What is it? What is it?
I gotta get it. Okay, I got it, Mommy.
Okay.
It is a hat.
Aww.
Wait, Mommy, we forgot to do the handshake.
All right, Mama, go do the handshake with her.
Mm-hmm.
What's your sister? All right, back here so we can see. Go.
We're doing that. We're doing me and my dad.
Family handshake and go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on, y'all. Be for real.
You Korean. Do Mommy this. Do the daddy again. Because we do it in the land.
No. You're too close to the fire now. Go back a little bit.
You look cute.
Sit down around the fire. Not gonna say it again.
Slack.
Who?
Slack.
Do you and Mama got one?
Yeah, okay. Let's go practice it.
All right, me and KB gonna practice ours.
About custom handshakes between friends. They need to be a couple of things. Number one, sequences, like sections. Number two, you need to be able to do them whether you're standing up or sitting down. And number three, it needs to be easy enough so that you can remember to do it all the time. Because if you don't do it, then you're going to forget it. I'm going to show you me and Marmar's handshake and why it's perfect.
That's what they be doing on social media. Hey.
That's it. We could do that standing up, sitting down, in the car, on the airplane, on the bus.
Okay.
Before he walk out the
Do
door
it one more time for Kyla and Khalil. I think they missed the point of a handshake. Go.
It's basically only your hand movement.
Yeah, it's all hand movement.
So I think
That's why they call
Marmar
it
was
a
like,
handshake.
so
Hold on,
Marmar
what
was
y'all
like,
was
hold
doing?
on. I think we doing a dance, sis.
Yeah. Y'all was doing cool.
Y'all, we was doing a dance, mamas. Okay, she knows what a handshake is now.
Daddy, are you hungry?
I know that's right. Basically, he said, check on this food, baby.
It's cooking.
He's on air. Go.
What I said was, did I just feel a raindrop? I think I just felt a raindrop, y'all.
We're talking about
Unless a
birds
bird
that eat
pooped on me.
dead things and birds that eat living things.
Yeah, man. Often the biggest, ugliest, most meanest birds are the ones that eat dead stuff. Like crows and ravens and vultures. The little tiny little sweet birds, the ones that you hear singing in the morning, they eat living things, seeds, and nuts. Think about that.
We're living.
Yeah, we living, young man. And just like Jesse Jackson said, I am somebody.
Okay.
He said it right on cue though. It was like a PBS special.
Bruh.
We're living. Yeah, we living, young man. And if you keep on living. Look, they circling because the trash can right there.
Hey. So we said that, y'all, because it's a whole group of these type of birds right there. Y'all see that bird? That was my finger.
They're like crows.
They're like crows. Anyways, they were circling big time. And Mark just like literally downloaded. Lord, I tell y'all. Like, it's a signal, bro. They see something dead, bro.
The whole campground. They might be like, yeah, they cooking.
They're cooking.
Food over here. They got a trash bag over here.
Yep.
They making burgers. They making this. They making that.
I see some smoke. Let's go. So yeah. So you were schooling the kids on like some symbolism of that, of the birds.
Oh, yeah, birds, man. Yeah. Because it's not always the biggest, meanest, toughest. That's not what it's about. You know what I mean? Sometimes the biggest, meanest, toughest just been chewing on dead stuff.
That means they chew on
Delete all
blood.
that ain't make no sense. The whole thing really kind of didn't make sense. But I was trying to work with you.
Come on, man. You got to dig for it.
I'm good. I don't feel like it.
I feel you. All right. Love y'all. Bye. Dun, 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 dun. You mixing it. Ooh.
Ooh, I'm eating that.
Period. You eat that, mamas?
Potatoes on the bottom.
Potatoes is on the
Oh,
bottom.
I love potatoes. I love potatoes, Mama. I need my phone.
KB's, you heard I get that phone today.
What?
KB's grilled cheese is right there.
No, I need my phone. Mom. Mommy. And they also, and each move you do, is good.
Is it good, KB? You say thank you to Daddy and everything?
Dad brushed it.
You're welcome.
And then you have to dance like, can I show you dance?
Yeah.
We do it in Who cooked that, Mommy? Do the floor.
Who cooked what?
I never feel the spell. Daddy, I will stay this way. You can play after me. Why didn't how many do?